Black. White. Black plus white equals gray. Dip in water and squeeze it. Black. Add more white to make it light gray. Always dip in water and squeeze it before applying the paint. Blend it with dry blending brush. Add more paint. Again, blend it. Add more paint. Again, blend it. Black. Add more details. Crimson. Add black color at the corners for more details. Now add vermilion color at the center for looking more realistic. Now add more details with white color. Use detailing brush. Now add lemon yellow color for more details. Add vermilion color again. Crimson. Now add vermilion. Again, white. Add lemon yellow for more details. Now add again gray at the ends of flame. Now take red candle. Add lemon yellow again. Add mixture of crimson and vermilion to the candle wax. Now take white to right.
fragile candle is melted by the flames of overthinking.